Hello, Mason. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I met from homeschool. Keith, look at my beautiful hair. I am Mason.
Hey guys, this is Pop Up and this is
Mason.
And today we want to introduce you to a new friend. Our new friend is called, what's his name?
Jackson.
Hello, Mason. Hello, Mason. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I met from homeschool. Keith, look at my beautiful hair.
See Jackson's hair? Jackson is Mason's creation, and he created Jackson. And Jackson, so Jackson, how are you today? I'm fine. So where did you come from, Jackson?
I came from the ocean.
That's right. He came from the ocean. What do you think Jackson eats?
I eat.
Fish?
Yes.
Fish and squid?
Yeah.
And shrimp?
Yes.
All right. All right. So Jackson's Mason's new friend.
And look at my tattoo.
And he's got some new tattoos this morning, too. See?
It's
We put
nice.
some tattoos on him. He's got a little Spider-Man theme, little Marvel. Then he's got one on his arm here. So what do you think, Mason?
Goodbye.
So we need you to subscribe. We need your help subscribing and liking our videos. Mason, where's Jackson at? Did you drop him on the floor? Oh my
Yes.
goodness. Mason has been dropped Jackson. You want to talk to Jackson some more?
Yes.
Yeah.
I love you.
Jackson is a one-of-a-kind animal. We made him, we created him.
But we did not make a fish.
We didn't make the fish yet. We got more sea animals coming. We're working on them as we make them. But here's Jackson.
Hey, you stop it, Jackson. You stop it.
All right.
That's like a goo 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 gaga. Guy's shaking my hair.
Jackson's got some long hair.
And he's shaking it.
Yeah, he is.
Jackson, what are you doing that?
All right. All right, so you want to say goodbye? You want to keep playing?
Keep playing.
Yeah.
Look at my eyeball.
So what should we tell everybody? Always try hard
Never give up.
and never give up. That's right. All right.
Bye bye.
All right, so this is Pop Pop and this is
Mason.
with Jackson, and we are
Out.
out.
Always try hard. Never give up.